In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Grammarly 2024. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grammarly's version history and view past versions of your work, including items you've deleted, all from the web editor. First, open your browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and avoids any mistyped addresses. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press enter. You're looking for the official result that points to the Grammarly website. It's always a good habit to check that the link goes to the Grammarly.com domain so you know you're on the legitimate site. Click through to Grammarly. If you land on the home page, go ahead and proceed into the web editor. Many users will be redirected to the editor automatically at app.grammarly.com. If you're prompted to sign in, just continue to your dashboard the way you normally do. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your workspace with your documents on the main screen and a navigation panel along the left. Now, look to the left side for the option labeled Version History. This is the section that aggregates your document versions so you can retrace your edits over time. Click it. The page will update to display entries tied to your work. Think of this as a timeline view. Grammarly saves snapshots as you write, so you can revisit earlier states of a document. It's especially helpful if you want to compare changes, roll back to a cleaner draft, or simply confirm what was changed and when. Once version history is open, you can browse the list to see your available versions. You'll also be able to see items you previously deleted. Grammarly keeps deleted documents accessible here for a period, allowing you to review or bring back something you removed by mistake. Open an entry to preview its contents and verify it's the version you want. If you're working across multiple projects, use the search bar at the top of the editor to quickly locate a specific title, then return to version history to view its snapshots. A couple of quick notes. If you don't see version history on the left, make sure you're in the web editor on a desktop browser and that your account is up to date. Also, larger documents may take a moment to load their versions, so give it a second if the list doesn't appear instantly. That's it. You've used Google to reach Grammarly, opened the web editor, selected version history on the left, and now you can view your history, including deleted documents. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!